Who did that? We should investigate.
ISIS-K they have mentioned.
Okay, let the government take necessary action. But we will make sure that this such thing should not happen. So this is a very serious issue. That's what I'm telling you. Investigation will immediately start. Central, we will see. First, we will see if, suppose now, if the state investigation feel that yes, it is also needed that the central government step in. We are ready for that.
Now, do you feel some vested interests are creating this?
I can't say right now. This is it's too early to say anything. So let us wait. Then we will.